Now let's understand the operational workflow for mitigating railway accidents in the Ghat and Hilly areas. The process begins with a LIDAR sensor which is strategically placed on the front side of the locomotive engine. It continuously emits laser pulses toward the target area, creating a detailed 3D map of the surroundings by scanning the track for potential obstacles like broken trees or large stones. Upon detecting objects of concern, the system seamlessly activates the self-cleaning camera on the locomotive engine and initiates automatic video recording. The real-time footage is swiftly transmitted to both relevant authorities and train drivers who may travel on the same track. Simultaneously, alerts and SOS signals are generated to notify the responsible authorities. In case of emergencies, authorities can leverage the video feed for informed decision-making and to initiate prompt actions. We can also use the robust 5G connection to enable continuous real-time monitoring of track conditions. By integrating LIDAR sensors and self-cleaning cameras into locomotive systems, this proposed solution offers a proactive approach to prevent accidents in Ghat areas. The combination of advanced detection technology, visual assessment, and real-time communication ensures a swift and effective response to potential hazards, significantly enhancing railway safety in challenging terrains.